Open the hatch to gain access.
Remove the screws by turning them counterclockwise. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
Now when you pull this out, just be a little careful because the prop here kind of for the trunk can get in the way, so just kind of get it out and around there. You can kind of just do one of these.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the new housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the screws by turning them clockwise.
We recommend wearing gloves when changing your lights. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Make sure the bulb housing is secure.